Productivity and safe workflows are essential to you as an operator of high-quality tool machines. But are you really able to monitor processing at all times? Or do you find yourself staring at an opaque machine window in the decisive moment? That's why we developed the Rotoclear S3 rotating window for tool machines. Kept continuously clean, the window ensures a clear view of processing at all times. Cooling lubricants and chips are ejected safely, even in the harshest conditions. With its extremely shallow mount, the attractively designed Rotoclear S3 is a perfect match for your machines. The rotor is fitted or replaced in less than a minute. Whether OEM or retrofitted, the Rotoclear S3 gives you a clear view and is a must-have for your tool machine. Rotoclear Vision ensures optimum visibility on your screen, as well as easily mounted, connected by Wi-Fi, and monitored using wireless technology. Rotoclear S3 for a perfect view of your processing.